Dear children, a good morning to all of you. Children, today I will teach you Standard 2 Social Studies. Chapter 11 Directions. Now all of you quickly open at page number 54. In this chapter I will teach you how many directions are there, what is compass, location of places and map. So let's start the chapter. When we need to find out the location of a place, we often use the words left, right, straight, behind, etc. These are known as directions. In early days, people mostly used the position of the sun to find directions. See children, how this boy showing the directions east, west, north and south. As you know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, if you stand facing the sun in the morning, east is in front of you, west is behind you, north is to your left, south is to your right. Now we will see what is compass. A compass can also be used to tell directions. A compass needle always points in north-south direction. The other directions are easily found with its help. A sailor in the sea uses compass to find out directions. See children, this is the picture of compass. Here the word news is the short form of all four directions: north, east, west and south. Location of places. When we want to find out a place, we need to know how far and which side it is. Jia wants to reach the post office. She asks Robbie where it is. Robbie gives him directions. Take the third left turn, then take the first right turn near the banyan tree. There is a canteen. When you reach there, take the second left turn. After going 30 to 40 steps, take a right turn and you will reach the library. The words left and right tell us which way to go. There are words used to give direction. We also use our hands to show the direction. The left hand shows the left direction and the right hand shows the right direction. In this way, we can find the direction of a place. Children, next we will see what is map. A map is a drawing of a particular area. It shows us different places and where they are located. A map can help us to find our way if we are in a new place. For example, if we are in Mumbai, we can locate any place with the help of given map. So children, see, this is a picture of map of Mumbai. Now we will discuss exercise. Take the correct answer. Number 1, the sun rises in the east. Number 2, if you face the rising sun, on your left is north. C, there are dash main directions. There are 4 main directions. Children, turn the page. Number 4, we can find any directions by the position of sun. Number 5, a sailor knows the direction with the help of needle. B, fill in the blanks. Number 1, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Number 2, directions facing each other are called opposite directions. Number 3, direction help us to find a place. Number 4, a compass is used by sailors to find directions. Number 5, there are 4 main directions. Okay children, thank you.